Valley Arms. Nice one. We're at the Valley Arms again. No, we're not staying here tonight. We're going to walk further down this valley. Come on, let's go. Right then, so looks like we're here. The end of the road. I walked up the waterfall. It's just marshland and bogs. There's nowhere else up there. So I'm reckoning I'm going to put my tent here. And that should be sort of at night. Nice views. Got waterfall here. Got the valley down there. So I'll bring it back once we're set up. Don't know what that was. Oh yes, we're all set up. As you can probably hear, it's raining. So I'm just going to chill in here for a bit. Have this cider. Cheers everybody. Like I said, I walked up that waterfall. It's just marshland up there. So there's nowhere to camp, so this is the end of the line. But I'm glad I've come down this valley. I've seen it all, I know what's here now, so definitely going back to Traveller's Arms at one point. Traveller's Arms. Valley Arms. We're always tempted to turn back and go there again today, but like, nah, I've already done it, so I'm going to stay here. So, usual thing today. A couple of ciders, we've got some nice beers, we've got some wine, we're going to cook a curry. We're going to cook, I can't speak. We're going to do a curry later, we're going to cook it up. Cook the curry up. Yeah, I've got some like pork and beef mince, sort of a kebab that we made. I'm going to chop it all up and put it in a vindaloo. Lovely. Yeah, I'll go through all my stuff later on, all my sleeping gear, all the food and drink I've brought. So, just going to chill here. I'll bring you back in a bit. Well, an absolutely stunning spot. Check that out here. Let's go and have a look at Waterfall and I'll show you around. Wow, check that out. Love the power of water. So I came up here earlier without my pack on, so I would have done it. And all that's just marshland. Stunning, isn't it? Oh. Right, it's a bit slippy on there, but here, have a look at this down here. You can see where at one point it was a pool. Check it out. That massive stone there, that must have been up there at some point. There's a huge pool under here, it's all collapsed. And now we've just got that. Right. The Bango Vangie again. Right, I don't know if you can see up there. Sort of out of where my fingers were across there. It flattens out a bit, so I'm going to try and get up there. So it's about 4:30 now. Gives me a couple of hours to ask about. Go and check it out up here. I've just gone over the stream. You see them two boulders? I've jumped between them quite easy enough. So now I'm going to work way up here. Hopefully it flattens out and we'll get a bit of reception. Let's have a gander, eh? I'll turn you around. Not looking great, is it? Maybe go up here. It looks like a bit like I could use them as steps. Let's have a look. Probably a lot tougher than last week's climb. Week before, should I say. Waterfall out through them trees. Snowsing again, so back out to more view. Make my way up there. It's relatively easy, looks like a lot of steps going all the way up. But yeah, interested to see what's going on over there. Right, I'm going to put this down, I'll bring you back in a bit. There we go, I've got to this flat bit. There's the mango down there. There we are. Look at that, it's proper boggy over there. Feels a bit soft under the foot here, to be honest. I think that's because it's years and years worth of this just composting. But yeah, no one comes here. I mean, look at it. Not one shred of litter anywhere. And that's pretty bloody good and all, isn't it? Look at that. Waterfall coming all the way down side of there. It's windy up there, man. Proper windy toes. So yeah, I'm going to go back down. I've tried, but there's no reception at all. So, sorry, try getting in touch. But I'm all safe, I'm all good. He knows it. It's alright, I'm going to try and get down here. Okay, well, I've got up. But look, if you look out, that's what beyond the waterfall. Stopping and planning my route before I move on. So as you can see, it's flat here. I'm going to follow it over to the base of that tree, and I think it steps down again. So I'm going to follow that. You don't just go gun ho while you're in the middle of the Peak District. I'm not a maverick. I mean, I like to piss about, but I'm not a maverick. I don't fall down there and break my legs. Nice, isn't it? Oh, there's a sheep up there. So I followed that path here. This stick came in handy just to get me down to this ledge. I mean, it's rotten, but just enough to give me a bit of purchase. And now follow that there down. Let's go. And like before, crossed over there. We'll head back to the tent. Oh, look at it, doesn't it look great? It's a right setting. I've had to put the old mac and cheese on, the old return of the mac. Waterfalls look good. Yeah. On my second, I'm going to say beer then, but my cider. I'm going to finish this and we'll have a walk back down there. Shall we go down to Travellers again? I just keep calling it Travellers. Why do I call it Travellers? It's the Valley Arms. Shall we ever wander down there? Saying that's nice. It's quite a distance, isn't it? So yeah, try getting reception at the top of the hill. Proper windy up there. And I think I'm just too far out. There's not enough reception. I can't get involved. I can't get in touch with anyone. So, sorry girls, sorry Steph. But I'm here, look, I'm alive, I'm safe, I'm nice. Man, I'm gonna get drunk tonight. Oh, God, yeah. It's a bit weedy, innit, with a can of cider. Right, it's starting to rain a bit. Let's go and check out down here. I won't go to that hut again because I don't want to wring it dry, you know what I mean? So, yeah, we'll go and have a gander before it starts pissing it down properly. I don't know if it is going to drop, but it's already starting to get a bit neat. But we'll be fine in the tent. And we've got the mac and cheese on, so we're alright. Now I'm going to check out this wall. Probably requires me to go over to stream again. But look at this, how epic it is. I'll turn you around. Look at that. Okay, see the wall just here. Let's go check it out. It's a bit boggy down here, isn't it? Bit do. Boggins to Murgatroyd. How did I get over? Must have just fucked it off and walked over. Do apologise. Oh, there we go. There's my footprints there. Nope, no, it's not. It definitely wasn't there. That's alright, is that? See, no one comes here. It's just like with hoof prints. See my hooves. Look at my hooves. Epic. Why I'm like a mountain goat. Now then, here we are. We're in the tent. It's been raining for a little bit. It's still raining now. Put my thermals on, got my thermal hat on. I'm toasty. I just hope it don't continue because I want to get out and explore a bit more. But no, so far so good. Yeah, what's that behind your ear? What's this? Hey, you know what time it is. Damn right. It's the drinking ring. And with that, let's crack open our first beer. There's the Salt Hookerback Napier 5.5. Check that one out. Lovely stuff. I don't think I've had this before. Ooh. Ooh. Cheers. Nice. Hazy 5.5. Juicy. Excuse me. Made at Saltaire, Bingley Road. I know it well. Saltaire Brewery. Bradford. Nice. So, do you remember a couple of weeks ago I was telling you I had the flooding at my house? Well, excuse me, the problem was solved. Turns out there was a screw that was in the pipe from when the carpet fitters came in. So all that time the screw had filled the hole, it got rusty over time, and it finally shed and it started leaking water. So I've got to wait for a wall to dry. It should be alright in next week or so, and then it's going to get decorated. It's going to get painted again. So that's good. I'm sure you were all worried out there. So, I'll show all my gear there. Excuse me. Feeling a bit tasty already. At them ciders. I drunk maybe a glass or two of wine already. Very nice. Yeah, well, I'll show you what I've got. All those lovely ales we'll go through as we drink them. Some chicken skewers, some black pepper salami, some naan bread for my curry, some Galaxy minstrels, the old DRP, dry roasted peanuts, West York. That's my vindaloo up there. I've got that, if you can remember that lime and coriander rice I had last time I were out. Woohoo! I got that again. So yeah, I'm right looking forward to that. Right looking forward to having a bit of this as well. Way up. It's raining. So here we are, let's have a bit of that. Chicken and sweet chilli. Sweet chilli. Nice. So it's not as warm or dry as it was last time I was here. Cool spot though. I'm really enjoying it. Great day so far. And the night is young. I think it's only what? It's about 6:20 now. Coming up to 6:30 I reckon. Somewhat like. So I'm going to be in here for a bit I reckon. I'm going to eat this chicken. I'll have some of that salami as well actually. Check that out. And drink a beer. I like to get outside, explore. We'll get all the lights on later on when it's dark, and we're going to have a look at Waterfall because it's a little mega under light. So aye. A toast. Excuse me. What have we got here? Vault City Jungle Juice 6%. Modern sour beer. Look at that. Get a check out the check out the drinking ring. Nice. So a toast. A toast my boy Jordan Senior, his good lady, on the birth of his first child, baby boy. Congratulations, man. It's all it's mad, isn't it? It's crazy. I mean, I've got two girls myself, and they're 17 and 18 now, and it's just nuts, isn't it? Parenthood, it's absolutely crazy. Seeing them from young birth, seeing them from birth, growing as they do now. So all the best, man. I know that nonsense about talking about parenthood. I forgot to actually have a drink, so cheers, man. Love you lots. Take care, buddy. Oh yes. Ooh, jungle juice. That really is jungle juice. What we're saying here. Just a sour beer, product of Scotland. Vault City, an independent craft brewery and UK's largest dedicated sour beer producer. Wow. They've made over 300 unique beers since they were launched in 2018. That's pretty bloody good. Fruity, tropical, zesty, tropical tastes from the jungle. Our blend of exotic fruit pears, Alfonso mango, guava, kiwi and pineapple for a modern sour beer that's rich, thick and juicy. That is thick, rich and juicy. Rick and Thursday. Rick and Thursday. Anyway, yeah, whatever. That's very enjoyable. Very, very enjoyable. So, let's have a bit of this. Let's have a bit of it. Steady on, mate. Camera's getting frisky. Got the old DRP, West y'all. Let's have a bit of this. Not old dry roast for ages. So, I'm just going to be chilling here. As you can see, here, the weather's pretty shit outside. I've got no reception. There's none up there. Some sort of, I thought they were leaking then, but no. Yeah, so I'm totally out of communication. Communicate. I can't. Too much light block. Chris, great channel, mate. Very good. I do enjoy your stealth camps and your wild camps. And the human dorsal fin. Yeah. Shout out to Chris and Blot Outdoors. Love that channel. Whether he sees this or not, who knows. But yeah. Just heard a screech, I don't know if it came over there. Paying it down. £10. Egg bound. It's alright with the drinking ring. Here I am, hello. Just not enough head height in here to sit up. Hang on a sec, just finish this jungle juice. That is a bloody fine ale. Excuse me. Right, another toast to two legends. I'm going to open this. It's from the Buxton Brewery. Axe Edge Indian Pale Ale, 6.8. Yeah, 6.8. This is to Anthony Todd and Bruce Cullen, two legends. They bought me a cup of coffee this week. Thank you very much, you two. Check that out. Have a look at the drinking ring. This one's for you too. Thank you very much. Oh, it's just tart, isn't it? Yeah, look at that. So, I think it's all alright to get outside again, isn't it? I don't think it's rained as much. I think the splatters of rain that I'm getting are just from the trees above. A bit windy. You can tell, definitely tell it's windy up on the top of the valley, but it's not as windy down here. Hot box. So yeah, I'm going to drink a bit of this, get all my gear on, we'll get outside and see what's going down. Oh yes, we're outside and it's a bit nippy. It's raining, but this monstrosity sitting next to us. Look at this. Let's try not to slip anywhere. Oh, like that there. Look at that. That looks so inviting to get in, doesn't it? Here we are. The Bango Banshee standing up, doing its thing. A lot of light's coming from right over yonder. starts running, and how flat that stone is. Love it. I'll tell you something, it's a bit Baltic out here. Hands are proper bloody freezing. Look at it. State that is. It's not really good for that. Oh, there you go, look at that. Now this is serious wild camping. And I'm being serious when I say it. I'm going to get quite drunk. I'm feeling quite nice now actually. Serious. So here I am. What was that? Hello. Here I am. I've just been sitting here. Well, I've been laying down and just in dark. Your eyes get proper used to it. And it's proper mad hearing all sounds around me. Bits of water, it's just... I'm slap bang in the middle of nature here and it's awesome. Oh yeah. So, I'm going to have a bit of this. Have a bit of them. You can have a bit of that. Look at that. Bloody love minstrels. Yeah, bloody awful out there. Last time I checked in about an hour or so ago. Bloody hell. Pretty dreadful and it doesn't sound like it's got any better, but we're here. We're having a good time. There we go. Yes, you know what time it is. Alright, I'm going to do a bit of bushcraft. Well, not bushcraft really. I'm just going to tie a bit of cord on here. I like to hang my torch up here just to give me a bit of light. But that's not long enough, so there's only a clip. It struggles to hang on. So I'm going to get a bit of my cordage. I've always got some in my bag. Don't know why I didn't think of doing this before, to be honest. Where's my knife? There we go. Do it. That knife, man. This knife here, that helped me build my entire camp over 6 years. That knife went through a lot of stuff. Been through a lot of stuff, me and that knife. Right, what did I do with it? Did I cut it? Or am I just imagining things? I did. There we go. Right, I just burnt edges off, so it's done for here. There's my torch gun. There we go. Yes, it's working. Let's just turn that off. Well, maybe if it'll sort itself out. Well, it's not meant to be filming anyway, you know what I mean? It's just Just so I've got a light on here when I'm just not filming, you know what I mean? What groove? Bushcraft. Drinking ring. Wants it. Right, enough of all this nonsense. Hiya. I don't know why I'm waving. Let's finish this up. Yeah, time's gone really slowly. It's only about, I think, 10:30 now. It's because I've just been lying here at dark, just chilling out. Sipping my beer occasionally. Drinking wine. It's alright. So I think I'm going to finish this. I'll open up my last beer. Still got the bottle of wine to drink. That's alright. Been having sips of that. And the last beer of the night is Northern Monk Heathen Hazy IPA 7.2. Remember in my other videos I usually get the Heathen with added fruit, which is like pop. This is Father. Ooh. It's naughty. It's a naughty ale. So yeah, I'm gonna have a bit of this. We should go outside again. We'll have a walk about, see what's going down. See if the waterfall's changed. Very much likely it hasn't. It's probably not changed because, well, I've not heard anything. No one's phoned me and told me, I wrote. I've had no text message about it. So yeah, we're all good. Do-do-do-do. Here I am, just in the middle of the Peak District. Well, not in the middle, because that'd be ridiculous, that'd be near Derby. And I'm more near Home Firth, Huddersfield sort of area. But I'm in the Peak District regardless. And yeah, it's pretty bloody good. It's cold, it's nippy. But I'm wrapped up, I'm alright. Got heated things as well, so that's all good. Got my last can, drinking ring. Oh aye, we're alright. Still got a bottle of wine left. Still got the curry to make as well. Oh aye, it's been a lovely day. Bit shit not being able to get hold of anybody when I went up there earlier. But it's more treacherous climbing up this side than it was up there down at the week. So I've been sensible, I'm not doing it again. So I went up, I couldn't do it. And I'm too far out anyway, I didn't get a reception. Can't help doing it now because of bloody Chris at got outdoors. I'm feeling a bit good, to be fair. Feeling a bit nice. I'm here. Hi. Going about. It's all good. So yeah, I'm probably going to be the last time I'm going to be out tonight. Because, well, it's a bit shitty weather, isn't it? It's held off a bit, it's got cold, it's warm in there. It's warm in the old Van Gogh Banshee. Van Gogh Banshee. My tent, it's alright, it's good. It stands up, it's windy. This is probably the windiest I've had the tent. So the windiest I've been out in the tent since I've had it. And it's standing up good, it's solid, yeah. The frame outside moves a bit, but inside, yeah, lovely. Yeah, I'm looking forward to spending many more nights in there. It's a drinking ring, you know it. I keep telling you about it, but I'm going to continue telling you about it until... Oh, what is that? Oh, a load of foam. until I don't tell you about it. So I'll tell you what, I'll turn you around, I'll turn the lights off, I'll show you how dark it is. There we go. Just turn the light off. Oh, you know, oh. Serious while camping. What's going on? That patch of land. This bit of dog. So I think I'm going to finish this beer while I'm out here. Just take all this surroundings in. Then we'll get back in there, we'll crack on with wine, then we'll get on with that curry eventually. What's that dick doing? What a tit. We're getting rid of that. I'll see you shortly. Slugs, what's that about? Hate them. Bloody hate slugs. They're just shit, you know, you stand on them and it's like you stood on dog shit. Your foot spins around and that. Horrible things. If you touch them when you're gardening and that, it's just hot slime and that's awful stuff. Got them on my boot. Remember about a year or so ago, I watched a guy had gone camping. I can't remember who it was, I do apologise if you're watching. He'd gone camping and he woke up at middle at night and there were slugs everywhere. All over inside in his Alison Moyer, over his boots and his bag. They were just all over the place. Awful. I would fucking hate that. I hate slugs. So fingers crossed there's no slugs, because I'm going to be throwing some salt around if there is. I don't have any salt, but you know, metaphorical salt. Has anyone ever said that before? Metaphorical salt. You have that. Have a look at it. Have a close look at it. There you go. Should have had a picture of me on there, shouldn't I? Doing that. So that would have been quite fun. Isn't that fun? So I'm going to drink a bit more of this, then we're going to get that curry on. Lovely stuff. Oh yes, it's time for the curry. A bit of the old currants. Hi, it's me, hello. Yeah, so last time I proper checked in, we're about midnight. And I thought, ooh, have a bit of a lie down. So I had a bit of a lie down, as you do. And then I woke up, looked at my phone, and it said 2:15. I'm like, where the hell's 2:15 in the morning come from? Then I realised clocks have gone forward, haven't they? Clocks have gone forward an hour at 1 o'clock. So I've fallen asleep for an hour. So there we go, yeah. So I've woken up, I'm going to have this curry. finish that wine, and then I'll go to sleep. So this should be nice. I've put that lime and coriander rice in there. Don't know if you can just see. You can just see it over there. There you go. Excuse me. It's just there. Oh, it smells bloody good. A load of it. I doubt I'm going to eat all of that. But I'll have a gander. A gander and grubs up. Oh, can't wait. Let's give it one final stir. Oh, it smells ridiculous. I doubt I'm going to eat all of that. Right, let's turn it off. Just put that there. I need to stretch my legs. Oh, God. Oh. Right, let battle commence. Oh my word. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, it's so hot. Hot in texture, flavour, everything. The meat's packed with spice. The sauce is tandoori. Tandoori, it's not. It's vindaloo I'm talking about. That's so warming. Oh, here we go. The bloody hiccups again. For God's sake. Cheers. Oh, Jesus H. Christ. Jesus Harold Christ. Oh, hell. Oh, gee. Oh, God. That's so hot. Oh, that's really hot. Oh. Oh. Let's take the hats off. Jesus. Whew. It's hot, but it's very nice. Oh yes. Good sauce on my finger. Right, let's get a naan bread on the go. This is bloody good, this. Right. I'm going to eat up, see what I can eat. I'll be back to you in a bit. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'll get the drink. Well, here I am, all tucked up. It's about 4:15 in the morning. Just time for some shut-eye. Fantastic day. Quality night. Hope you enjoyed watching. See you all in the morning. Take care now. Bye-bye then. Good morning. 8:45. Bit crap sleep until about 5, and then I was like a light. Probably woke up about half an hour ago. Really do pee. Really need a pee. I can't be bothered to move though. But it stings. Oh. Can't hardly open my eyes. Right, I'll have a pee and I'll bring you back soon. Start packing up all my crap now. It's all my back to pack and then this tent to get down. Great views though this morning, great views. Look at that. And as always, leave no trace. Hiya trace! Right, let's get all my crap. This is all my rubbish. Let's head out. One final look. Hiya trace! Let's go. Oh, slipping. We're back, look at this, it's the Valley Arms. One final look. Excellent. I'll see you next year. As you can see, all this is fern in a few weeks' time. It's all going to be head height, you won't be able to get through here. So I shall be returning here same time next year. What a place. Right, let's carry on. Carry on! And with that, we'll call it a do. What a great night that was. A shame I can't go down there again for another year. Because, well, I could go down in summer if I wanted, but I get eaten alive by all bitey things. Plus we won't be able to see up because of all fern. So yeah, that looks like it's going to be a winter welcome sort of camp down there. Definitely going back to Travellers again. Definitely going to go back to Valley Arms. That place has got my name written all over it. So, thank you very much for watching, everybody. What a blast that's been. Like I've said previously, if you do like to support the channel, just follow the link in the description. You can buy me a coffee, or, I don't know, give us a hug, something like that. Alright, thank you very much, everyone. I'll see you again next Wednesday, 5 PM. See you later. Bye bye.